This week episode, hey, ngihamba ngedvani, ngigunman. Sitawubuka nje local. I-local beyidlala iNgonyama Cup. Sibone igame lemnanzi, iMonene Pirates iProgressor iya kuma-finals eNgonyama Cup iyodlala against i-Royal Leopard. Hey, bekumnanzi, bekubukeleka. Thembe ukuthi bami ba-enjoyile le weekend. Then-ke then-ke we got the news ukuthi coach Nero Ndibane, one of the technical bench member yesihlangu semnikati. Hey, ngathi bamqweshisile. Then kube nema-national team collapse. Sibonile nje Baba Highlanders captain sebambitile. Thabo Langa, yes. Thabo Langa. Bona bami laba-return-ako bo-Felix Bedenhorst, bo-Junior Magagula, bo-Justice Figueiredo. Yeah, just to name a few. Bonile-ke i-Orlando Pirates ishikiliswa i-SuperSport eSouth Africa 2-1, 1-1, 2-1, 2-2. Waya kuma-extra time nakhona kwabanjwana kwabamedima. And then-ke sabona ama-celebration bo-Evidence Makopa. Then Kaizer Chiefs nayo iprogressile with a champions score 1-0. Sambe siye eNgilandi. Eish, kumetima because Coach Amorim has said yena uyade ukuthi ku-Manchester United angeke asifole sikhathi lalasifolayo noma lalasifole Mikel Arteta ku-Arsenal ukuthi ku-Man U baba-expect-a ama-results. Bonile na-Arne Slot baphuma ngesemagonjwana Alisson loyo ku-Champions League. Then sibone Pep again. Le Forest ngasinenkinga le imshaya impapatisa. Sabona i-Manchester United. In fact, it's not Manchester United, sibone i-Arsenal idrawisa i-Manchester United because hayi bekumedima kakhulu. Even though there was those questionable decisions by the referee, especially khona nje la bekufunde khona ngathi i-Arsenal bayi-award i-penalty. Sengikhohlwe ukuthi Maguire was versus bani bani lapho kudlalise bani kabi, but nje anyways bathi-ke they are not good, but Arsenal is not getting penalties because Arsenal is not Liverpool. We don't know ukuthi kwentekalani on that. Sibone na Pep akhuluma this week ukuthi abe kuyi-miracle. Okay, I'm not quoting him word to word, but nje uyaveta ukuthi abe kuyi-miracle kubona it would be bonus kubona i-Manchester City idlala phindze i-Champions League ngale ndlela ethwase ngayo, le ndlela ebopheke ngayo, nale ndlela lathola ngayo lo mzaca ngoba uyakhala. Then sibona i-Chelsea iyayilwela le top 4. Igciniwe ngile nto yokudlala inkonzo yabo lesine i-Conference of Churches. Igciniwe ukuthi if idlala lona le nto so ayibona iyanconkotha ku-top 4. But-ke most people are saying the title race is over. Nganye na Rice now because Rice is saying it is not over yet. Phasi labanye bathi i-Arsenal ibhethe ama-calculator, but I'm for that ukuthi Liverpool can still Arsenal can still win all the games because Liverpool now is current at 70, ishiya i-Arsenal nga-15. Then kude i-Liverpool ithathe le league kude iwine 6 games in the remaining games, 6 games to be sure. ukuthi iwinile nakhona itowina ngeliphoyinti lelincane. So asathi ukuthi yini nyalo ukuthi Liverpool ukuthi iwina because before kwathiwa ama-teams beka-affected by COVID. They were immune. I-Liverpool was immune to COVID. Then the other teams wona bekahlaselwe i-COVID. Then now I think what is happening, Liverpool is being affected by, no, it's not affected or touched by the war in Ukraine and Donald Trump administration because sokuthi all the other teams yona ithinzeke i-Liverpool but iwina i-title injalo nakune-crisis. Angathi ukuthi from when baqala nini but nje bathi basho njalo-ke labanye. So angeke ngiyikhonyele, ngeke ngiyithini. Anyways, sabona khona. Sibona naye ne-Newcastle iwinile 1-0 and kuyabonakala ukuthi kunemidlalo enjenga-Isak. Okay, there is Isak, Haaland, Wood Forest, Mo Salah ku-Liverpool. In fact, let me not count individual players because there are teams la celebrate. I mind the individual players. They have turned to small team mentality. Previously, we've seen Cole Palmer. Be-Chelsea bakhuluma ngaye kakhulu. Then-ke sabona be-Man U now they are pushing, bebapusha Maino before, now they are pushing Bruno. But Bruno doesn't have to be pushed. Bruno is himself. Unfortunately, udlalela leyo team nje. So if I was Bruno right now, I would look elsewhere. Because ngiva ngathi i-career yakhe mani itawusuke iphela angawini i-league title or something lena. Kuzogcina ngalama-FA Cups nabo labo Carabao Man U. So he deserves to play in a team that is contending. I'm afraid to say a big team, but nje a team who like the challenger for titles because I don't see Manchester United challenging for titles for the next 2, 3, 4 years. Maybe Assad, but I don't see because my predictions. Then we have Coach Amorim. Angathi because he doesn't change noma abonelwa ukuthi kuhamba njani kuye. Ngoba le system maybe labadlali are not responding to the system layidlalako le 3-4-3 but yena uyachubeka uya-insista ukuthi ufuna kudlala yona and we don't know ukuthi why he is insisting because ngabe yena uyashintsha udlalisa i-system labadlali abantu are-compatible kuyo then-ke abe ne-pre-season where he will implement his own philosophy. Lathi kahle ukuthi no bata-respond because we've seen players like Anthony, they are performing well somewhere. So loko kusitshela something about i-Manchester United. Okay, even though now Manchester United inetinkinga behind the scene like administrative wise because Sarah Cliff naye interview ukuthi they make the right decision ukuthi bacoshe Ten Hag then-ke bakhathe ama-wages then there are players who are overpaid. There are a lot of things that are going on ku-Manchester United and we don't know ukuthi in the summer kutawendekani kuyo. Then if Arsenal doesn't win this league they are competing for, I think the Arsenal has to go and look for a coach because Arteta hayi ngiva ngathi utabe ehlulekile. Yes, maybe nakangawina i-Champions League kungavakala ukuthi okay maybe uwine i-Champions League lapho-ke cha unga-understand-a ukuthi kukhona abantu ngetengoyo. Then-ke this coming weekend nje ama-games esitawuba nawo sitawuba Ipswich idlala neForest, obvious lapho-ke iForest itawina with a good score. IForest itawina, yes. Then iManchester City idlala neBrighton. Lapho-ke if ubheja kutawuba ngu-both team to score. Then-ke Southampton and Wolves. Lapho-ke ama-Wolves atawina. Brentford neBournemouth. This one kutaba ngu-both team to score. Then Arsenal, because we have the London derby, i-Arsenal idlala neChelsea. I-Chelsea currently, okay, in fact, ngibone recently, I don't know ukuthi bami labafeva i-Man U ukuspendani. Now sebabongelela i-Liverpool kakhulu, babongela i-Liverpool more than their teams, and I don't understand why instead of ukuthi babongelele i-Liverpool babongelele i-Arsenal. In my thought bengikade ukuthi babongelele i-Arsenal, because in any way, in any given day, yes, in the weekend result lakhona i-Manchester United i-drawiswe i-Arsenal khona. Bengifise for the first time bengifise i-Manchester United win. Unfortunately, hawu kwala, but nje the draw is positive, was positive to me as a Liverpool fan though. Then in the game they are going to play Arsenal, the game that they are going to play against now Chelsea. Chelsea is on fire and siyayifuna kuyiqhubeka siyibone ku-Champions League. So it would be fair for i-Chelsea ukuthi win. I'm interested in that game. Itawudlala Sunday. Then i-Fulham ne-Tottenham. Both team to score there. Then-ke i-Arsenal lapho idlale Tuesday idlala ne-Fulham nakhona. So at this current moment ngifavor i-Liverpool, but ngifavor any team that is playing against Arsenal, because ngiyo i-team lekhompyutha ne-Liverpool, because ngiyo i-team lekhompyutha ne-Liverpool nyalo, and lokho ngeke sikubalekele. Then we have coach, with players like we've seen ukuthi Virgil van Dijk bobona ukuthi now, okay, fine, he has been instrumental kule title race Liverpool up to this far, but khona la ubona khona ukuthi okay, this guy has to be sent off at times, or angadi ukuthi uyithola njani le Messi yena ayifani, because uyalishaya libhuce kulamalanga, and ulishaya ubone ukuthi no, this is supposed to be a foul or what, but nje we don't know ukuthi kwenzakalani. Then-ke we are still witnessing, ngeva labanye bathi kunabo bani Mamosh, sekufike boMamosh, the real Egyptian king. Guys, there is nothing real. The king is a king. The Egyptian king lesiyaziyo, that is Mo Salah. There is no debate. Simbonile even on the weekend, after a long time, Nunes scored a goal. I'm afraid to say the same about the Manchester United striker. Lo bamsayina e-Italy, just 9. Simpitenge ukuthi ngiHaaland light. We don't know what is happening kuye. So ngathini nje, so let us expect more now, and sisacela lokuthi ama-guest achubeke asinanga azame ukusithinta epagini lethu, even on my inbox, angi-inboxele so that batokhona bakhona for the weekend. I think for today, for this week asesigcine lapho-ke, singasolo sanzeka bande. Nivile mse ukuthi kubhejwa njani, nasibheja lababhejako igame ye-Everton no-West Ham, win or draw, Everton. Then ye-Ipswich Nottingham Forest, Forest straight win. Man City versus Brighton, that is both team to score. Wolves Southampton, that is straight win for Wolves. Bournemouth and Brentford, that is over 1.5. Arsenal and Chelsea, over 1.5. Fulham and Tottenham, both team to score. Manchester United and Leicester City. Manchester is going to win. Then over this weekend, Liverpool is not playing the league. Liverpool is playing the Carabao final against Newcastle. Now ubheja le game leyo-ke bheja nje ukuthi both team to score. Those team will be score. The game will be fire. Angifuni kusolo ngisho ukuthi lawinwa ngubani because I'm interested in that game. Anyways, angigcine lapho ngingasolo ngibheka kubo Spain ngibheka kuphi kuphi. Angigcine lapho-ke nje for this week. Next week-ke sitawuzama uku-unpack-a konke. Otherwise, siyabonga.